In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite external guests to a Microsoft Teams meeting. By the end, you'll know how to share a meeting link with people outside your organization and what they'll see when they join, so everything runs smoothly. First, open Microsoft Teams and set up your meeting as you normally would. If you're working within an organization, Teams will often suggest co-workers by name and email. That's great for internal invites, but you can also include people outside your company. You have two simple options. Type their full email address into the invite field so they receive a calendar invite, or share the meeting link directly with them through email, chat, or any messaging tool your team uses. Let's assume you've started the meeting and you're ready to bring in an external guest. In the meeting window, look for the Share or Participants area where you can manage invites during the call. Choose the option to copy the meeting link. It's usually labeled Copy Meeting Link. When you click it, Teams places the link on your clipboard. Now paste that link into an email or message to your guest. A quick note helps, like the date, time, and that they can join from a browser without installing anything if they prefer. Here's what your guest will experience. When they click the link, they'll be prompted to choose how to join, either from the desktop app, the mobile app, or directly in a web browser. If they're not signed into Teams, they'll be asked to enter a display name. They'll also see basic device options to adjust their camera, microphone, and speakers. It's a good idea for them to allow browser permissions for the camera and microphone if asked, and to test that their audio is working before they enter. Depending on your organization's settings, external guests may land in a lobby first. You'll get a notification in the meeting to admit them. Keep an eye on the participants panel so you can let them in quickly. Once admitted, they'll join like any other attendee. If their camera or mic isn't working, encourage them to toggle devices, switch to another browser, or try the Teams app for a more stable experience. That's it. Set up your meeting, copy and share the link, and help your guests join by name with their camera and mic configured. With this approach, inviting people outside your organization is fast, secure, and easy for everyone.